Ayan. So, hello guys. This is the update. I sound so freaking funny, like that. I sound like I have a lisp or what. So, kakauwi ko lang at kaninang 8 and then ito na yung this is it, guys. Okay, so okay, but swag is forever. Yeah. Tapos I got my belly pierced then and it's so pretty cute. Hindi siya masakit. Mas masakit sa dila. Ay, hindi masakit like numb or what. So yeah. What's my update for today kasi I can't talk that much at wala pa akong eat simula kaninang umaga. Kaya so let's see anong mangyayari sa'kin bukas. Siguro magso-swollen pa. I need to drink med for this one. Siguro iinom ako ng Advil, but I can't even eat. And I keep on drowning. What the fuck is this? Ayun. Inom lang muna ng water. That's all chat. Bye.